What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And, I want to apologize for, a lot of the people that follow me out there. It's been very tough to get any type of information on what's going on in the market because I've been on vacation. I've been busy and things have not looked the best in the crypto market. I want to give you a little bit of an update on what's happening with the prices and all of that there. But honestly, I've been removed from any of the brand new news that's happening. So again, I apologize to everyone, okay? Anyone that watches my videos and looks for any type of updates or what's going on with Jasmine, what's going on with Shiba Inu, Terra Luna Classic, XRP, whatever the position is. I apologize for that. But I've been enjoying vacation, so thank you for the people that have been giving me a little bit of space. I still upload and put out some content, some early stage content, as well as some videos here and there, but it's just not as maybe engaged as it should be. So again, I apologize, but if you guys could make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my Margex link if you guys want to sign up for Margex. Even though I haven't really been touching things, I've been having a lot of success with Margex, putting things out there and all of that stuff there. So I appreciate you guys for being a part of that. But what I wanted to do today, again, go through exactly what's happening in the crypto market because it is the 13th of June. I've had a lot of things that I've been at least trying to look at and trying to pay attention to, right? And it's just the direction of the market. And honestly, if we look at it at a trend from last week to this week, it's not really trending in the right direction. Some days were positive, but inherently things were negative. They're falling downhill. So let's look at things. If we currently look at the market, it's standing at a $2.43 trillion market cap. We're looking at a 3.88% decrease in the supply, at which you're looking at a dominance of 54.3%. Now, what does this tell me? Right, I've told people this all the time. I've said exactly where my head is, where I stand with things. Let me make sure I'm just showing my screen. I am. I've said exactly where my head is on this. 54% means that we are not in altcoin season yet. We will be in altcoin season at some point. I honestly don't know exactly when we will be in altcoin season, but I know we will be in altcoin season very, very soon. We're going to see a pump of crypto, especially as we look at the election and all the election coins that are running and different meme coins that could be running and all of those things there. Then we're going to see utility coins that become a larger thing with the Ethereum ETF approvals and the launching of that. And then essentially other ETFs that could come aboard. So there's a lot of speculation, a lot of things that are happening right now. But I know that the crypto market is going to have a massive pump. And right now we're just seeing a little bit of more consolidation as well as a little bit of a decrease in the market, which is okay. We're going to see that as we see things that are increasing up. So again, we're going to look at the rest of the whole market or the top 100. Then we're going to look at my watch list and where my portfolio stands as well. So currently, if we look at the top 100, we have Bitcoin that's down about 3.85%, basically what the entire market is down of 3.88%. You look at Ethereum down 4.1%. BNB down the same. Solana down about 7%, 2% for XRP, 5% for Dogecoin, 4% for Cardano. You have 6% for Shiba Inu. I was going to say 16%. 6% for Avalanche. You have 5% for Chainlink, 7% for Near Protocol. And, rounding out the top 25, you're looking at Pepe at, 10% down. Caspa is also 3% down, and so on and so forth. If we look at things that are down the most in the top 100, when we look at things that are up the most, we're going to see that OKB is up, but slightly. Everything else is down in the top 100. If we look at things that are falling the most, we have AR that's down by 16%. Bonk, that's down by 14%. Brett, that's down by about 13.5%, 12% for Floki, and Dog with Hat down by 10%. Anything else notable? Render is down quite a bit. We just talked about Pepe. Jasmine coin is also down by about 9% or 10%, looking at about 3.5 cents. I'm not worried about Jasmine coin. I'm significantly up on Jasmy Coin, not worried about where it stands or where it's going to go in this little bit of a downturn. If we look at my portfolio, what I'm holding in my watch list, or what I'm looking at in my watch list, and we're going to see that if we look at the largest gainers, we have Vitalik Smart Gas. It actually is up quite a bit. I made a video on it earlier today about Vitalik Smart Gas and how bullish I am on it. I've already made money on this, realized gains, and there's a lot more to grow because not only did I make money up to about, what, $100 million market cap, it has since come back down, and now we can see that all over again, as well as more hype and more of an increase as time goes on for Vitalik Smart Gas. They're doing big things over there if you want to go and check them out. I don't know if I'll provide a link in the description, but you can check out my latest video that I had on Vitalik Smart Gas because, again, they're up by 33% today, 60% in the last 7 days. Basically, the only thing that's up in my watch list here, the closest thing is Bohm, that's down about 0.3%, XRP 2% down, and so on and so forth. We go down to the things that are decreasing the most within my watch list. Let me go ahead and just sort it to make it easier. We look at Bonk, that's down the most, GME, that's also down by 13%, Lucky's Leper Coin down by about 11%, and then you have API 3 that's down by 10%, Grok that's down by 10%, Jasmy that's down by 9%, right? So a lot of things are falling right now. Altcoins are not really doing well. Not only altcoins, everything is not really doing well, and it's understandable. Let's check my portfolio, which I honestly don't want to do because I feel like it's going to say you're down about $10,000, and honestly, that's not something that feels great when you're down that much. So yeah, not as bad as I thought, but it is still bad. Down $7,375.45. This is all unrealized, right? This is not something that I'm truly worried about. If you look at CRO as my worst performer, $9,000 down from where my overall investment point was, which should be around the 15-cent mark. And I think it's now sitting around 10 cents or so, which honestly would be a good level to maybe purchase some more if I had money to do so, which I don't know if I do. But if I do, I'll let you know if I do buy any more CRO. Vitalik Smart Gas obviously is my largest gainer with 47,000 of gain. I'm still in all-time profit of 113,000, so it's not a problem at all for me. If we look at the largest gainers, again, Vitalik Smart Gas is leading the way. Book of Meme is, it's still down, but it's up there at kind of flat. If we look at largest profits that we had, Vitalik Smart Gas, GameStop, token, Jasmy Coin up 31,000, and then comes Terra Luna Classic and Grok and all of those others that I'm up kind of a decent amount on, right? A respectable amount. The other three, the top three, are not really, they're more than respectable, right? They're aggressive in the amount of gains, but then everything else is a respectable amount, right? Terra Luna Classic, Grok, Joe Biden Coin, all of those that are there. We'll see this run sometime soon. Now, what can I take from all of this, right? Is there anything that we could take? Not really. Right now it's just about wading through it. And the waiting game is kind of like the hardest part of investing in crypto because you're just waiting around. You're waiting for something to do something. You're like that meme where you're just poking it saying, do something, just do something, anything, right? So anyways, let me know what you think about the crypto market. I'm sorry that I've been distant lately, but I'm on vacation. I come back. I should be done Sunday, so into next week. Everything should be fine. Everything should be fine and dandy. I'll still be uploading videos, whether that's different new tokens or talking about Jasmy or XRP or whatever. But we'll see what else comes out. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.